Just another day in Australia.
Look at my dog.
You always have to be mentally prepared to deal with kangaroos when going out. The lion's intention was thwarted by the zookeeper.
Wow.
Last time we took about a minute or two.
Who is knocking? I was taking a nap.
That is crazy, dude.
This is what happens when you encounter a level 1 Pidgeot without a Pokemon.
Hey, hey, hey! Ah! Hey!
This guy tested the patience of the bear by locking himself in an iron cage.
It's almost like he doesn't like it.
The hunger of this animal is no joke. What made this camel so angry? If you want to attract seagulls at the beach, just bring along a box full of food. Don't worry, the octopus is just trying to escape from here.